Hello student, welcome to NVGI class 10 Civics chapter Popular Struggles and the Movement. We have seen the different types of conflict created in the different countries in the different time. We have seen many are countries are established the autocracy, but the moment it started to establish the democracy, and many are problems are also faced when the peoples are struggle against started the movement against his government in the country. So I have to read about the Nepal movement. Nepal movement, the restore the democracy. We have seen 2006 the famous movement to witness political movement witness to the establishing democracy restore in Nepal. So we have seen that in 1919 the restore the democracy in the Nepal. Restore a struggle started in the movement in 1990 in the democracy for the democracy. The king of Gyanen, the king of Birendra was expect the democracy system and the restore the democracy in Nepal in 1990. But in the one massacre are happened, so the Brazils the king of Brazil was the died. But when the democracy are established in 1990, the king are nominal head of the constitution. But when he was died, the another king Gyani was the king of Nepal. So some peoples are the favor of the democracy, but many are peoples are unfavor to democracy. So the democracy was unpopular and unfamous in Nepal. So the situation he was take the favor to unpopular democracy. So he take the advantage of the situation and restore the kingship in Nepal. And he was destroy the parliament and take all the powers. Take all the powers. But we have seen the 2006 the seven parties are make the alliance and announce we have announced the strike against the king and restore the democracy in Nepal. But the strike was after 2 or 3 days the strike turned in the different ways. So it was and he also action the force and was curfew all over the countries. So the many peoples came to the street and against the protest to the king. So in 2006 the Ghanaian was restored the democracy and the seven party alliance also decide to choose GP Koral was the prime minister of the new democracy in Nepal. And also we had and also the reconstitution assemblies कि वो नए असेंबली को क्रिएट करेंगे a show. We have seen the election are held in Nepal and the new parties came in the power. and make his government. So we have seen the popular struggle for the popular political struggle against the kingship. And the next topic is a water war in the whole VR. I have teach you in the next day also. Thank you.